Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would sit down and show you guys everything that I got from the VIB sale that Sephora had a couple of days ago, or maybe it was like a week ago. And if you guys didn't know, Sephora never really has sales. They have them twice a year, and depending what kind of member you are, you can either get 10 to 15, even sometimes 20% off during their VIB sale. So I am a VIB member, so I got 15% off this time, and I didn't do that much damage. Well, actually no, I did. But like I said, I got everything for 15% off, so yeah. So if you guys want to see everything that I got, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and like this video. It really helps me out, and I would really love for you guys to join the familia. All right, so I have this big box here. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I've seen a lot of people rave about it. It's a berry mix complex rich in vitamin C and antioxidants from a nutritious blend of raspberries, strawberries, cranberries, something I can't pronounce, and blueberries. It soothes, softens, revealing smooth, supple lips. So I heard a lot of people raving about this, and I watched a lot of VIB recommendation videos before I placed my order, and I really took my time picking everything out. So this is what it looks like, and I used it last night for the first time, and I love it so much. It smells really good, and there's a lot in here. 20 grams, 0.70 ounces. So this is going to last me a pretty long time. Smells really good. It left my lips feeling very soft. My lips tend to get dry and they are under a lot of stress because I do wear liquid lipsticks, and if you wear liquid lipsticks then you know that your lips tend to get pretty dry. So I thought that this would help, and I'm going to keep it right on my night table so that I can apply it every night. Okay, this next item is so good. I had a hard time opening it though. I had to use a butter knife to get it open because I don't know why, I just could not get it open. And the cream that I'm talking about, it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janero, and it's a fast absorbing body cream. It helps tighten and smooth like no other. So I got the small size. After I smelled this, I was like, wow, when this runs out, I am going to go get the big tub. It smells amazing, you guys. And it lasts on your skin a long time. You know how there are some creams that you put on and then within an hour or two, like you just can't smell it anymore? Not this. I wore it the other day to work and people were like, what is that smell? It smells like caramel mixed with vanilla. It's amazing, this scent. They also have, I guess, a body spray with this scent. So I'm like, oh my God. I shave my arms, so sometimes, you know, they can feel a little bit dry and kind of itchy. So I put this on as soon as I got out of the shower, and it took away the itchiness, and it also just left them feeling super duper smooth. Is my mic on? Okay, another thing that I picked up is the Josie Maran. Josie Maran. I don't know how to pronounce that. Aragon Infinity Cream. It's an intensive creamy oil, and it says one cream, infinite possibilities, deeply moisturize dry areas of the face, smooth flyaways, keep eyebrows in place, prevent razor burn and irritation, use as a nighttime moisturizer, prevent skin dehydration during airline travel, hydrate and plump dry, swollen under eyes, quench skin post sunburn. You can use it for many things, and this is what it looks like. And I have been using it on my face at nighttime. I wake up with very nice, soft baby skin. I do recommend this if you have texture, which I do on this cheek. So I'm always looking for something that is going to help with my texture. And oh, this is just amazing. It is a little bit pricey, but I mean, a lot comes in here. It's 2.2 fluid ounces. I have been using it for the last, I don't know, 3 to 4 days. I love the way it leaves my skin. It just feels like a baby's butt. It's so good, you guys. Okay, I also picked up the Origins Glow So Good and it comes in a box like this. So you get the original skin matte moisturizer with willow herb, which costs $40. And then I got the retexturizing mask with rose clay. I got the essence lotion and dual ferment complex and renewal serum with willow herb. So I got all these items for, I think I paid $45. So usually just the cream alone costs $42. So for $3 more, I got a whole bunch of stuff. So it includes this cream right here, which is amazing. I always talk about this cream. So it pretty much just moisturizes your face, but without leaving it greasy. And I swear this is life-changing. My makeup just applies really nicely. It leaves my skin looking flawless, and my makeup just stays on all day long. It is a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. And then it comes with this essence lotion, and then I got the retexturizing mask and the serum. All right, so now into a makeup, I guess. I picked up the Too Faced Sex on the Peach. It's the Ultimate Complexion Perfecting and Mascara set. And this includes a full-size Better Than Sex mascara, the full-size Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder, the Deluxe Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfect Primer, the mini size, and then the mini mattifying setting spray. So it includes the setting powder. I've never tried this powder, but I have heard that it's really good, and it's always sold out. I've never been able to get my hands on it, but it was available in this package, so I thought I would pick it up. And then the Skin Perfecting Primer. I got the mattifying setting spray, and then the Better Than Sex mascara. I think this mascara is $30, so definitely a deal. This is still available on their website. I was on there last night and I know, why am I on there? I don't know. And I saw that this is still available, and I think it's just a great deal. So I definitely recommend this set, and I can't wait to try this out. And maybe I'll do like a review, or I'll do a makeup tutorial using these products so you guys can kind of see how good they are. And last but not least, I picked up the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte Palette. The colors are absolutely beautiful, and it just looks like this. Too Faced always has the prettiest packaging, I think. So this is what it looks like. These are the shades right here. I don't want to blind you guys, but aren't they super pretty? I have not used them yet. I haven't even swatched them. And you guys, this palette smells like peaches. Smells so good. I don't really need any more makeup palettes or more makeup. That's why I focused a lot on...
What it do, YouTube? What it do?
I don't really need any more makeup products, so that's why I tried to focus more on skincare this time, because I'm trying to take better care of my skin. All right, so that's all I picked up from the Sephora Vib sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.